How to delete Windows old folder. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete Windows old folder. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. First step is press Ctrl plus R key to open up your run. On your run, you will need to type in clean mrg and then hit enter. My bad, it's clean mgr. Let me cross that here. So type in clean mgr and the disk cleanup should open up like this. After the disk cleanup opens up, you can check right this. Tap on this clean up system files and it's gonna take few minutes to complete, but after it completes it will have deleted your old Windows files and it should give you quite some space as well. And yeah, just stay patient while this is completed, but yeah, it's done. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.